Hello guys, welcome back to Chocolate's Fire Alarms. Today, we will be testing my Wheelock S in the bank. Let's go. Also a warning, the mode is continuous. Simplex T-bar. These alarms are louder than the last ones. Reset time. Fire alarm number 1. Fire alarm number 2. Fire alarm number 3 and panel. Upstairs fire alarm number 1. Upstairs fire alarm number 2. Upstairs fire alarm number 3. Panel reset time. Hope you guys enjoyed the second video of the series. Next video will be on Wheelock MT. Peace out.